Let me tell you a warm Christmas story about a sweet crochet girl. These are the cozy things she does in the days before Christmas. She loves the holiday season so much. First, she decorates her Christmas tree. Then, she puts on her Santa hat and her warm red mittens. She goes outside to make a snowman. Later, she sits by the fireplace and drinks hot chocolate. Her little kitten jumps into her lap and curls up to sleep. The next morning, she writes Christmas cards for her family and friends. After that, she goes to a shop to look for Christmas gifts. Then she looks at new Christmas outfits. She buys a soft red dress. In the evening, she watches TV with a Santa Claus doll beside her. She hangs her Christmas stocking above the fireplace. She bakes cookies, soft, warm, and sweet. She also gives her Christmas gifts to her friends. Then she visits her grandparents. They hug her tightly and tell her Christmas stories. At night, she dreams about Santa, snowflakes, and joy.
Do you like Christmas songs? Let's dance to this song together.
Happy Christmas Day. Happy Christmas Day. I smile and I say, Happy Christmas Day. La la la, la la la. Happy Christmas Day. La la la, la la la. Happy Christmas Day. Lights are shining bright. Hearts are warm and light. Hug you tight and say, Happy Christmas Day. La la la, la la la. Happy Christmas Day. La la la, la la la. Happy Christmas Day. Happy, happy, happy Christmas Day.
What do you usually do at Christmas? Tell me your story.
Awesome work today. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow English Garden for more beginner English lessons. See you in the next lesson. Keep learning every day.